Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Miden X5, 4K, Wi-Fi Dashcam. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 4K, 3-channel dashcam and supersized wide angle. Miden brings you the X5 dashcam front and rear inside, which can record Ultra HD, 4K front video plus 1080p internal video plus 1080p rear video. Miden X5 Dashcam can help you read key details such as road signs and vehicle license plates more clearly, bringing you better driving pleasure and better security. This car camera is equipped with a 176 degrees wide-angle front camera and a 160 degrees wide-angle internal and rear camera, recording everything you need. Faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection and app control. Miden X5 wireless dashcam is equipped with upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity module to provide faster Wi-Fi data transfer for smooth video preview, download and sharing. You can easily access recorded videos, watch live streams, set up your dash camera, download and share your videos to social media directly from your smartphone via app. And you can share your traveling scenery and beautiful moments with your friends and family with just one click. Clearer night vision and parking monitor. Miden X5 wireless dashcam feature an f1.5 aperture plus the industry's largest 1/2.7-inch CMOS image sensor plus 8 glass wide-angle lens that automatically adjusts the brightness of the lights to capture smaller details such as license plates even in low light conditions. Miden dash camera will automatically start recording when vibration is detected in the event of a collision or someone attempt to steal your car, providing 24-hour protection for your vehicle. 3-axis G sensor and accident lock. Miden dashcams for cars is equipped with upgraded high-performance 3-axis G sensor, and its sensitivity realizes further upgrade. When a vehicle collision occurs, our Miden X5 wireless dashcam will automatically record the video during the accident, save and lock the current video as evidence. It also allows you to more comfortably deal with potential safety issues like car theft, malicious damage to your car, hit and run, and more. Seamless cyclic recording and evidence protection. Miden X5 dash camera supports cyclic recording. Automatically overwrite the old video files when the storage space is insufficient to ensure that continuous video recording is not interrupted. Miden dashcams for cars solve the problem of the recorded video with time intervals, keyframes missing, through technological innovations. You can realize seamless connection between the cyclic video to better preserve the video evidence. Sophisticated plus stylish design and easy installation. Miden X5 dashcam adopts a simple and stylish design style, smooth lines, small size, and exquisite appearance, will not block the driver's line of sight, ensure driving safety, so that you enjoy a comfortable driving experience. Miden wireless dashcam are easy to install and set up, and we also provide wiring crowbars and detailed instructions that even first-time users don't have to worry about. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.